UPS reportedly wants to buy tens of thousands of humanoid robots from Figure AI. I made a video on Figure AI. They have the Figure 3 right now. In the image, you see Figure 2. This was their previous model. Now they have Figure 3. And reports are about the $39 billion San Jose startup working with UPS have been around about a year. The startup appears to be pushing the latest development story through investors. As previously reported, UPS plans to eliminate 30,000 jobs. Guys, the delivery jobs are not gonna be there in the future. In 2026, like Amazon Figure is looking to autonomous robots to replace human workers. UPS wants tens of thousands of Figure robots by the next year. Fernando Valera, I can also attest that this is true. Who's this Fernando Varela, guys? Let's see if he's someone related to UPS. Huh? No, guys. Anyways, let's see what the internet has to offer about this. If there's anything we could find on the internet. Like I told you, I'm quite interested in robotics and AI, so I'll have to read about this. UPS is in discussion with robotic startup Figure AI to integrate human robots into its logistic facilities. Okay, guys, the large theme over here is how AI will be affecting the physical world. Previously, we talked about Project Prometheus from Jeff Bezos and how it's gonna be like the AI for the physical economy. But as you see over here, UPS, they also have like a physical task. They have warehouses, they have centers, fulfillment centers where stuff comes and then they ship it out. And well, they are looking to automate tasks with robots, humanoid robots. So by the way, let's see what's a humanoid robot. For our understanding, humanoid robot versus a robot. Humanoid robots are specific type of robots designed to mimic the human body's shape and mechanics. So what we could do, I will put this one into our glossary of terms as well. So let me go to my glossary. Yeah, and I'm gonna be putting it over there. Where is my glossary of terms? Okay, here it is. So humanoid robots. So this is gonna be a dictionary style. So we have the first one with H, A, B, C, D, E, F. It will go above this and everything will come below this. So now let us go back to our other stuff where we were already. So reports suggest a potential interest in tens of thousands of robots. Deployment starting as early as 2026 and 2027. Interesting, guys. Figure AI specializes in AI powered general purpose humanoid robots such as Figure 2. Now they have the Figure 3, guys. They have the Figure 3. I have to show you Figure AI's website. If you haven't seen it, go check this out, guys. This is, well, very pleasing. See the type of stuff their robot can do. They are featuring each and everything. So it can do laundry, it can do your household chores. It has, you see these cameras, and I think it has cameras in its fingertips as well. There was something like this. Figure AI is always evolving. So if you know, in my video on Project Prometheus, I talked about the fact that the robotic arms, they are programmed to do certain stuff, but when AI is coupled with these robots, so it can evolve. So there will be an AI model behind this which will be actually improving over time, so that the robotic arm, it would not require programming again and again. The AI will be connected with that arm, and the robotic arm, it will have autonomy. So similarly here, Figure AI, as we see, it can do your task. And well, look at this guy. Kind of scary, kind of interesting. And once you leave your home, it will clean up your mess each and everything. It knows what to do. So the good thing is that it could improve industrial efficiencies. The tasks that require human input, it could be used over there. So coming back to what UPS is onto about, discussions between UPS and Figure AI have been ongoing since 2024. Oh my goodness, guys. In AI's era, this is decades back in the past, because AI is evolving at a very fast rate. Logistics impact. This potential move is a part of larger trend in the logistic industry to automate manual, repetitive, and physically demanding tasks to improve efficiency and reduce cost. Guys, if you are doing any physical task and earn from it, well, you need to start looking into AI. You need to actually level up yourself. You need to learn other skills. You see, even here, like they said that they are gonna be eliminating up to 30,000 jobs in 2026. UPS is gonna eliminate. By the way, I am interested in seeing the number of UPS workers. UPS work workforce number. How many people are working over there? So globally, 460,000 people are working with UPS. 330,000 full time. In US, let's say in US, it's 400,000 to 450,000. Okay. So the bulk of all these employees are in US, and out of those, 30,000 jobs are gonna evaporate. Now the thing is, guys, you let me know that what kind of future do you think are we gonna have with all this AI disruption? Is it gonna be a very good future, or is it gonna lead to people being jobless, people losing their jobs, or there's another thing. Elon Musk has been talking about universal basic income, where everyone has a universal basic income, their needs are met, and then they can go on to move up in life by the use of this. And the thing is, if you know about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, so if your needs of food, protection, they are met, then you will go on towards the love, recognition, and religion and other higher purpose. I have to show you the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It's a well-known concept. Maslow's hierarchy of needs: physiological needs, survival like food, water; safety needs, financial security, health, personal safety, financial security. If these two are met already, then you go on to love and belonging, esteem needs, self-actualization. So the thing is that, oh goodness, I didn't record the screen over here, but I have to show you the screen now. Sorry for that, guys. Here's the Maslow's hierarchy of needs: the physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging, esteem needs, self-actualization. So we started with the news that UPS wants to replace some 30,000 jobs with humanoid robots. They want to replace physical workers with humanoid robots. And we are standing at Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Globally, the future of AI is such that it's going to cause a lot of disruption. But for society, maybe this will be for the better, because if, like I said, these two are met, like you have money for food, water, and all that stuff, and you have financial security, then what you would be focusing on would be love, belonging, politics, recognition, status, and all that sort of stuff, personal growth, creativity, so on and so forth. So let me know down in the comments if you also see a very bright future of human and the humankind. I definitely look forward to your thoughts down. Okay, now let me just copy the link from here, and I'm gonna be noting this down in the news for today. UPS looking to replace 30,000 workers with humanoid robots. What I think, guys, is we can make an next post related to this as well. Let's come on to our main screen. Let us make a post. UPS is looking to slash some 30k seems better jobs in 2026. They are acquiring humanoid robots. So let's find something for UPS. UPS delivery. I think this one will work, I guess. UPS, you see it's there. So I want to make like a very simple post, not very detailed. So humanoid. So AI is gonna take our physical jobs too. More accurately, humanoid robots are gonna. So I think this post is decent enough.